Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 in Sebring Orange metallic on Kalahari interior with a 3LZ package. So we'll just start over at the trunk of the vehicle. We've got the Targa top removed here. It is color matched to the vehicle. As you can see, it's in great shape. There's also the privacy screen that's in the front, as well as the upper piece here on the trunk lid. If I pull the Targa top up here, we'll just unclip it from each side. Underneath with the 3LZ, you get the quilted Alcantara headliner here on the roof as well. So very cool. There's the brake cooler, still new, sealed in the package. It does have the cargo net here in the front. And in this corner here, we do have storage, and it's got the wheel lock key down in there, and some other goodies here as well. So that's there, and we'll close this up, lock this back into place like so, and we'll close the lid. It does have soft close, so we'll press that, it'll pull itself shut. We've got the carbon flash metallic spoiler, and it is the stage 2 spoiler with the outside wings. We've got the clear LED tail lights on the back. We've got the carbon flash metallic lower half of the bumper, and we've got the NPP performance exhaust. So the outer ports have dampers on them that open and close to make it louder or quieter. And you can set that either by drive mode, or you can override it in the settings as well. So it has the black badge package there, as you can see, and we'll just slide around to this side here. There's your rear wheel. So nice black wheels on this, red painted calipers, and nice Michelin tires as well. We have the carbon flash metallic vents here, as well as the side skirts down below. So that's great. And then here's your kick plate on the passenger side. It's in fair condition, as you can see. Let me just see, very, very, very minor scuffing up the front, but I think that might even polish out. So this is me showing you the car before we've completed our full 5-step polish, but we just want to share with you any marks that are there. So here's the door panel. We've got the Kalahari deviated or baseball stitching that runs along the door panel. We've got the black that accents nicely against the Kalahari. We've got the Bose 10 speaker stereo, electronic door release, power windows, and power locks. And down on the passenger seat here, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's in really good shape. I don't see any marks here on the chair. It looks really, really good. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And here on the passenger side, we've got heated and cooled seats, temperature display, and temperature control for the passenger. With the 3LZ, you get the colored or two-tone colored dash that goes up and over with the deviated or baseball stitching along the dash as well. In the glove box, we do have the books, so that's all there. And then we also have the Alcantara finish that runs up the A-pillars and across the top there as well as the mirrors here too. So we'll just hop out, we'll close this side up, and I'll just start at the back here, and we'll scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. It's in great shape, as you can see. There's your Z06 badging, Z06 supercharged with carbon flash metallic. Looks great. So here's your front wheel. Again, nice black wheels, red painted calipers, and nice Michelin tires on there. So under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 650 horsepower supercharged, and that's paired to a 7-speed manual transmission. In the corner here, we've got our dry sump oil system. With the Z06, you also get the upgraded transmission cooler and rear diff cooler. And then there's our wire for our mag ride or adjustable suspension. So that's all there. And up top, you've got the Z06 badging on the hood blanket. So we'll close this up. We'll have a look from the front. We've got the Corvette Racing logo striped down the hood. We've got the carbon flash metallic insert in the grille there. We've got the front splitter with the side pieces that's all painted in carbon flash metallic. It's in really good shape, as you can see. Looks good. We've got the HID projector headlights with LED daytime running lights. In terms of issues, I'm just going to take a close look and see if I can see any stone chips. Looks pretty good. I don't see anything. Oh, there's one little mark here that's been touched up. We'll do a little bit better job at it, but it is there. That is common on them. The bumper rubs against the fender, so many of them will be like that, but we do want to share it with you. On the front, we've got the curb view cameras with the 3LZ pack. So there's one, there's the other. So you can watch as you're pulling close to a curb so you don't bump the front splitter there. So here's the driver's front wheel. Again, nice black wheels, red calipers, in Michelin tires. And same thing back here. So again, nice black painted wheels, red calipers, Michelin tires. So over at the driver's side, again, baseball or deviated stitching that runs along, the Kalahari insert. We've got memory seats for 2 users as well as an exit button. We've got our power windows here and our electronic door release. Here's the Chevrolet kick plate. Very minor scuffing. Again, we're going to polish it so it will look much better. On the seat, we've got power 4, aft, up, down, recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And while we're here, I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. Looks good. And let's get in and fire this one up. Nice bark to it. So in terms of kilometers, we have 8,253, nice and low, no warning lights, no issues on the dash, everything looks great there. We've got the Alcantara finish here on the steering wheel with the carbon fiber Z06 inlay here. We've got rev match, so this is off and this is on. What that will do is it will rev the engine to match the speed of the transmission when you're downshifting all by itself. We've got cruise control buttons here. Favorite or track change here, volume control on this side. We've got the arrow keys here that work the dash. So we've got info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. We've got Bluetooth and telephone, or Bluetooth and voice command controls up here. On this side here, we've got our heads-up display, our mirror control. We've got our tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trunk release and alarm on and off, and our dimmer switch on this side. So we'll turn off the headlights for a moment and we'll have a look. So I think you can see that there, but we've got the heads-up display displayed on the dash. So that's there, that looks great. And then on this side, we've got our push button start. We've got behind screen storage with USB port. If we put this back up, we've got audio. So audio is going to be AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth streaming, and USB or auxiliary in media. Projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Navigation, so this unit has full factory nav. PDR, so performance data recorder, so you can record your track times and different things like that. If we go over, there's your front curve view cameras, which you can turn on manually or they'll turn on by themselves at low speeds while driving. And if I put it in reverse here, there's your backup camera. And then down below, there's your dual zone climate control, your heated and cooled seat control for the driver. And there's your Z06 placard, 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. Here's your 7-speed manual shifter with a nice Alcantara finished boot, and our drive mode selector and electronic parking brake. So when we twist this, we get touring, sport, track, weather, eco, or back to touring. And then in here we've got 2 USB ports, a line in, and a 12-volt socket. We've got our frameless auto-dimming mirror up here, and let's hop out with it running, have a look and a listen. What a beast. There we go. Love the Kalahari against the Sebring Orange. Looks great. So here it is from the front. Looks awesome. And we'll just scan down this side of the car. Here it is from the back. Nice rumble to the exhaust. Nice deep note. Sounds great. There you have it, folks. 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ Sebring Orange with Kalahari interior, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.